Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Whoever you are going to hire, they have to meet these restrictions. What are those restrictions? You see, only two of them are mandatory. Number one is the availability date. When will this position be available? Right, let's say it, today's day. 14th of March. I want this position to be available immediately. 14th of March. Earlier hire date is also today's date. Now, this earliest hire date can be on or after the availability date, but it cannot be before the availability date. I cannot have a date of 1st of March. Right the moment I do that, Workday is unhappy. It says the earliest date cannot be before. It says the earliest date cannot be before the hiring date. So let's fix that. Let's make it the same as the availability date. Alright. Now there are many things like job, family, job profile, which we will cover in tomorrow's section. You can also put in some job description. What is this person going to do? So the training administrator will take care of all the training needs of the organization. Right, this is the job description. And you can add a lot of other things. And you see that in this particular field you have the option to put in rich text. You can change the font. Alright, you can put in something as bold. Like this part one want to put in as bold. I can do that. In the organization, I want to change the color. I want to change it in green color. Write aloud. Okay. And you can also say, for more details, click on, or maybe for more details, visit our careers website. Right, and you can also put in a link. You see, there is an option for a link. So you can say link. And then, you can insert a link here. Alright, and you can say there, okay, what is the URL? Careers.com. Something like that. Right. So if you are giving a link, so if somebody clicks on this particular link, they will be directed to your company website or to your careers website. Great, isn't it? So you are able to put in all these additional you can make it easily readable. You can also put in some bullet points. Like, you can put in, you can categorize, you can put in, you can highlight some of the points about the job description. So this is just like a lot of the things like you can do in Word. Those are the same things you can put here as well. Alright. So you can put in like bullet points. You can put in, you can change the color. You can put in some links. You can change the font size in the job description field. Location. Now, if I leave the location as blank, what does that mean? That means that I am not restricting on the basis of location. You see, I'm filling up restrictions. So if I am filling up something that has to be met, that restriction has to be met. If I am putting in a job profile, okay, let's say, I will say training. Let's see if there is something already. Okay, a training manager. So that means this will be the job profile of that person. This will be the job profile of that particular person who is going to fill up this position. Okay. I am also. Let's say, I will fill up a location. We created some locations, right? Rally. Now we are creating this position in a supervisor organization. Right, so we already have a location tagged to it. So why did they again have to mention the location here for this position? Will all the workers in the supervisor organization be in the same position? Same position. Sorry, same location. Sorry. Will all the workers in the supervisor organization need the same location? No, not only. Right, yeah, no, like I said, the location in a supervisor organization doesn't have any relevance in terms of hiring. It's just a logical place where you are saying, okay, this is where my department is looking. That's all. It doesn't have any logical bearing in terms of hiring. Okay. It doesn't. We have to specify the location for each and every worker that we hire at the time of hiring. It will not default from your supervisor organization. Doesn't matter what is the supervisor? I mean, what is the location at the supervisor organization level? So okay, so I have put in this Israeli. Can I put multiple locations here? Let's say I want to put London as well. Right. Yes, you can. You may okay. So this position will be open in Rayleigh and London. If that is the situation, yes. But if this is what I am defining, can I hire a worker with a location of Chicago for this particular position? No. Why not? Why not? Because we have to position. Because we have set this as a restriction. Because we have to find these locations as our restriction. So it has to be met. These locations has to be. I mean, we cannot hire a worker in a different location for this position. What is the position? The blue training administrator. And there are two positions for this. Okay. Time type. What is the time type? You see it says full-time or part-time. If I leave this blank, if I do not fill this up, then it gives me the option to hire a full-time or a part-time. Nobody's. But if I define this, then it has to be met. If I define this, then I want only part-time. If I click on full-time, that means I am only looking for full-time. I will not take part-time. Similarly, worker type. Worker type is let's say, contingent worker and employee. If I do not choose anything, that gives me the option to hire employees as well as contingent workers for this position. Let's say I try for hiring an employee. I do not get an employee. I can fill it up with a contingent worker as well. No problem. But if I define an upfront thing, it has to be an employee. Then I cannot hire a contingent worker for this particular position. That is training administrator. Remember, all the restrictions that we are defining are for this particular position. Okay. And difficult and critical job. You can mark it as yes, because this is not a restriction. But this will act as a reminder or as a slag to the recruitment team. And then this will tell them that, okay, this is very critical. It needs to be filled quickly. Difficult to fill. How difficult is it going to be? Is it going to be very difficult? What is your anticipation? But let's say it is going to be easy. Training administrator. Does that mean that it is going to be easy? Maybe, may not be. But this is what you think.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@uptalk.com.